This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the watch and phone. This speeds pairing and avoids firmware hiccups. First, charge the Hoco Y15 to around 80%. This prevents mid-setup shutdowns. Once charged, download and open the Hoco Fit app on your phone and allow Bluetooth plus location access so the watch can be discovered. Make sure phone notifications are enabled, otherwise call and message sync will fail. Now turn on the watch, swipe to the pairing screen, and you're ready to search for the device in the app. Once the app finds Hoco Y15, tap the device name and confirm the pairing code displayed on the watch. This prevents accidental connections. After pairing, grant health and activity permissions so heart rate, sleep, and steps can sync. Without these, data will be incomplete. Next, choose units and time zone in the app. This ensures accurate distance and calorie calculations. Finally, pick a watch face and enable notification filters so only the alerts you want appear. This reduces. To finish, configure alarms, do not disturb windows, and activity goals so the watch supports your routine. These settings keep you accountable. Try stress, continuous heart rate, or workout modes to see battery impact. Higher sampling uses more power, so balance accuracy versus battery life. If firmware appears, update it now because updates fix bugs and improve sensors. If things go wrong, reboot the watch. If that fails, unpair and repair, and only then perform a factory reset. This sequence usually resolves connectivity or sync errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.